Hi, welcome again. This is Recho in the kitchen. Welcome to my YouTube channel Everyday Kenya. Nimerudi, nilikuwa nimenyamaza kidogo, but I'm back full energy. And today nataka nionyeshe how to make omelette with mushroom, cheese and sausage. So guys, tuende kwa ingredients. I have 3 mushrooms. It'll depend the amount of eggs you are making. So I'm making small. I have 3 mushroom, grated Gouda cheese. I have 1 sausage. I have 2 eggs. And I'm going also to use black pepper and some oil. So first of all, I'm going to fry my sausage and my mushroom. In my pan, I have put 1 teaspoon of oil, usiweke mingi, and in full heat. Once it is hot, we go in with sausages. And mushroom. We are going to fry them full heat. While the mushroom and sausage is cooking, I'm going to add a pinch of salt, because in the omelette I'm not going to add more salt. Once your mushroom is cooked, you remove from heat, you set aside in a bowl. You put your pan back. Now we are going to beat our eggs. Carefully, usiweke the shells inside. Just small black pepper. Mix properly. Now this one we are going to go low heat. We don't want our omelette to be hard or burn. You can see the pan has still oil. Omelette doesn't need too much oil, so I'm going to continue cooking with this one. This bread. When the upper part you see it's a bit drying, we go in with these ones, our sausage and mushroom, then cheese, remember it's low heat. Then we are going to take this part, like so. The omelette is ready. Now you can wait to cool a bit. You can eat with juice, tea, anything you like. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have subscribed, thank you so much. If you have not, make sure you do. Omelette is served. Quick, simple, delicious, kitu ya kukula haraka haraka. Thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell icon usiwachwe nyuma when we upload our new videos. Thank you so much. See you guys episode 18.